Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be talking about how to be healthy and fit. If you're looking to improve your overall health and fitness, there are some simple steps you can take to achieve your goals. Here are some tips to help you get started. Tip number 1, eat a well-balanced diet. Consume a variety of nutrient-dense foods that include fruits, vegetables, lean protein, whole grains, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods and excessive amounts of sugar, salt, and saturated fats. Make sure to eat a balanced meal with all essential macronutrients for each meal. Tip number 2, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your body hydrated and help flush out toxins. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, and more if you're exercising or sweating heavily. Tip number 3, exercise regularly. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking or jogging, most days of the week. Incorporate strength training exercises to build muscle and increase metabolism. Tip number 4, get enough rest. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to help your body recover and restore itself. Try to maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Tip number 5, manage stress. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Tip number 6, avoid unhealthy habits. Avoid smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and drug use. Tip number 7, stay active. Find ways to stay active throughout the day, such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator, or taking a walk during your lunch break. That's it for today's video. Remember to make small changes and gradually work your way up to bigger goals when it comes to achieving and maintaining good health and fitness. Thanks for watching.